Our dream pool, okay. So yeah, we started looking online because we knew in our heads what we wanted, and we knew what that was like, and it was pools that you might have seen at Splash Village or something like that, and we're like, okay, we have to have this, we have to figure out how to make it happen. So he got online and you just started Googling different things, and he's like a 3 a.m. Googler, so I woke up the next morning and he's like, oh, you have to see this guy. So we started watching pool guy videos as a family, like the next morning, continuously. I think we watched every video that was on your...
You must have had a lot of time.
I'm like, okay. No, but just the idea, because we did talk to one other person before that about making the boulder idea that we had in our head. And he was this pool guy, a pool guy, not the pool guy. And he's like, oh, I think I've heard of that. You can take a trip down to... Where was it?
Somewhere in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Pick out some boulders. There are these fake boulders, and we'll ship them back up and get them into the landscape. And so I don't know. Compared to something like that, this was the perfect solution just because of the creativity involved. I mean, and Al and I have talked about that so many times before. Just it's one of a kind. There's no other pool out there like it. It's exactly us. I mean, so far all the little embellishments and the nautical theme, and we didn't even tell them about the ropes yet, how we have a theme like that somewhere else. It's amazing. I mean, it seems like you know us, and so far it's perfect.